day 3 of Snack Shack. Today we're gonna make a candy called Heart Melt. The first step of making these heart melts is we're gonna take a bag of pretzels and we're gonna lay out the pretzels on a baking sheet. So I'll have Rachel set them out for you. You can just go like this. Alright, now once they're all set up on the tray, we're gonna take Rolos like this. We're gonna unwrap the Rolos and set the Rolos just right on top of the pretzels. I'll set a few on there. And then these need to go in the oven and we're gonna bake them at 350 for about 5 to 10 minutes and Rachel will take them. Alright, so now Rachel is gonna bring back our candy melts. And then while they're still upright, you just take a spoon and you're just gonna press them down so that they're flat. Perfect, just like that, and it'll just smush them down a little bit. And then you're gonna take little candy hearts. We only found sprinkles. And then Rachel will just sprinkle them on top. And then they're good to go. And they taste best when they're hot.
We don't do it here, so I'll fast forward it.
Okay.
And Sophie, you can just wave right now. You can wave.
Alright, and look how good they came out. And Rachel's gonna try one right now. I think she likes it.